Hi, Charmaine from Smarter Selling. So today's topic is business development, why I lost the business. Well, look, it's really good that you're even listening to this, which shows that you're open to learning. In my experience, most people just think it was price and that was it, and they go along in the same pattern, losing business and not really understanding why. So we teach a lot in our courses about being objective, being able to say after every phone call, after every meeting, after every presentation, if I was to do that again, what would I do differently next time? That's for your positive, for yourself and for the future. So let's talk about losing a piece of business. If the client said price, then they're saying it because it's the surefire way to stop you dead in your tracks. And I can assure you, it's never price. Never price. Ever price. It's something else. Somebody else has gone in and aligned better. The way they've built trust, rapport, maybe the way that the client runs their strategy for buying something, being assured, being influenced, being convinced, they've run it, not you. Maybe the way they presented themselves is more aligned with that client. Maybe their product or the way they put forward their solution was done in a way that that client expected it to be. Maybe the way that they did any follow-on emails or the way they made their phone calls was more aligned with that client. I think we've got to understand that the job of a salesperson is to observe each client and adapt. The surefire way that we get caught out is we do the same thing every time and we then think it's the client or it was price without actually realising, well, if I observed that client, I could have adapted to that client and won that business. It's a bit of an eye-opener. So you've really got to understand each client individually. And the best thing you could do is phone up and find out, or even get a colleague to do so and to say, in order to assist you next time round, or a client that's similar to you, what was it that the other company actually offered you? What were the top 2 or 3 things that they brought to the table that you liked, which is why you went with them? This helps us understand your business better. And of course, that's often a nice way for them to tell you the truth as opposed to them just saying it's price. I hope that's helped your top tip today. Be observant, step back, be objective about how you do business. Ask yourself, what could I do better next time? This is Charmaine from Smarter Selling. If you want more tips on actually how to grow the business and not lose the business, then subscribe below. Until next time.